Okay, I would like to know about the history or something about this particular knives, because I have these kind of knives back in home in India. So if you can explain something about it, it would be nice.
I cannot tell you about the history of these knives
Okay.
because we buy it from private people in Japan, so we don't have certificates.
Okay.
But they are all knives from high carbonated steel. They have high amount of carbonate.
Okay.
So it means that they are really light,
Okay.
very durable,
Okay.
very sharp. But this is not a stainless steel.
Oh, it's not a stainless steel.
Yes,
Okay.
they will corrode if you leave them on the counter overnight.
Okay.
Wet.
It
they
will
will
corrode. So that means it's from a cast iron kind of stuff.
So, sorry.
Cast iron kind of. It's been taken out from a cast iron.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these knives, I mean, all of these knives here
Okay.
are called santoku. Santoku means three virtues.
Santo.
Santoku.
How do you spell it?
SANTOQU.
Q. Santo.
Santoku.
Okay.
Yeah. And they are made from three parts of metal.
Okay.
So, this one. The core is this high carbon steel,
Okay.
very sharp and durable.
Okay.
But from the one and the other side, you have stainless steel.
Okay.
So if you look
So-
closer,
Okay.
you can see this high carbon steel on the edge.
Only on the edge.
Only on the edge.
Okay.
So if you leave it wet on the counter overnight,
Okay.
it will corrode, but only here.
Oh.
So it's really easy to renovate them.
Clean them.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Because if you leave this one on the
Okay.
counter overnight, it will corrode all over.
But only if it has wet. Only if it is wet, it will corrode. Otherwise, it won't.
Or if it's wet, also acids work bad with this knife. So for example, cutting lemon, onion has more acid than lemon.
Correct. Correct.
I was surprised when I heard that. So acid and wetness will damage this knife. But if you, after you use it, you cut something, you just wash them with normal dishwashing liquid, whatever, and you make them dry, they will never corrode, and they will serve you for 2 generations.
Okay.
Because we don't know exactly how old these knives are,
Okay.
but the oldest one could be even 80 years old.
Okay.
But if you take care for them after them, they will serve you for 2 generations.
2 generations.
So
Okay.
this price is, first of all, this is craftsmanship.
Okay.
So they are not coming from factory.
Okay.
Everything of this knife was made by blacksmith
Okay.
in Japan. They also have kanji here.
So how much does each of them cost? Is it in zlotys?
Yes, this
Okay.
price is lovely.
Zlotys. Okay.
And the price depends on how much we paid for them
Okay.
and how much time we had to spend to renovate them.
Okay.
Because we can have, I don't know, two pretty same knives. I don't know. I mean, they are some kind of close, right? But this is 650. This is 500.
Okay.
So I think that this needed to spend
Spend more
today-
time
yeah,
and work.
exactly.
Yeah. And about that one, we call it wakati, the bigger one. Yeah, this one. We used it for cutting large pieces of bones or something.
That's just machete.
Machete.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how you call it.
I mean, that's how it is called.
In Japanese or in Polish?
I don't know how it's called in Japanese, but I don't think it's a Japanese type of knife, actually.
Okay. Yeah, we have pretty much similar to this back in India.
Okay.
I'm from Kerala. I'm from South India.
Okay.
We used to cut bones, or sometimes in the field you
So
would do
for
some
cutting
work.
bones, what they would use would be a deba. So it's a...
Oh, this is more thick.
Yes, it's thicker. And we also have like a really thick one, so you can try it. This one is left-handed actually, because they are sharpened only from one side.
Okay, yeah.
That's like a Japanese idea, because that way the knife is twice as sharp.
Okay.
Because the angle that is sharpened on, it's only half of it. So,
but I have a question. So normally, when in India, when we make knives out of cast iron, you put it into fire,
Yeah.
and then there's a person who beats it into making a shape.
Yes.
So when you do with something like cast iron,
they are forged.
Forged. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nice information. Thanks a lot for sharing the information in the video.
Thank you.
Thank you. And your good name once again?
Bart.
Bart. And you?
Kuba.
Kuba. I'm David.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.